In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule Reels on Instagram with Meta Business Suite. By the end, you'll be able to plan your content in advance and let it publish automatically, which is perfect for staying consistent without being glued to your phone. First, open Meta Business Suite in your web browser and sign into the account that manages your Instagram profile. If you handle multiple pages, make sure you've selected the correct business. You'll land on the home dashboard, but the exact layout can vary a bit. Don't worry, the options we need are the same. From the dashboard, look for the Create button and choose Create Reel. This opens the Reels Composer, which is where you'll upload, preview, and prepare your post before scheduling. Next, click Add Video. This prompts you to choose a file from your computer. Select the video you want to publish as a reel. For best results, use a vertical 9:16 video, ideally under 90 seconds. Once it loads, you can preview playback and check framing. If your content has dialogue, consider enabling captions for accessibility and retention. Also, make sure you have the right to use any music you include. With your media added, confirm that posting to Instagram is selected. If you also see a Facebook option, decide whether you want to publish there too. If your goal is Instagram only, leave Facebook unchecked. Double-check you're posting to the correct Instagram profile if you manage more than one. When you're happy with the video selection, click Next. This moves you to the details screen. Add a clear, engaging caption with relevant hashtags to help discovery. If available, pick a cover image or scrub to select a frame that represents your reel. This matters for your grid and feed. You can also tweak settings like allowing remixing, tagging collaborators, and adding a location if it fits your strategy. Keep your caption concise, front-loading the most important hook so it's visible without tapping more. Now click Schedule. A calendar and time picker will appear. Choose the exact date and time you want your reel to go live. Consider your audience's time zone and typical peak engagement windows. If you're unsure, start with the early evening on weekdays and adjust over time based on performance. After selecting the time, confirm by hitting the Final Schedule button. That's it. Your reel is queued. You can review or change it anytime in the Planner section of Meta Business Suite. If plans shift, open the scheduled post to edit the caption, reschedule, or cancel. With this workflow, your reels can publish reliably, even when you're offline.